Hey there, high performance friends and family. On behalf of my business partner Thomas Elrod and myself, I want to go into a topic that oftentimes when you're buying a home, you really don't know what fees and costs are associated with buying the home. So of course there's a down payment, but there's 4 other closing costs that you really need to know about if you're going to purchase a home. So I want to go through those with you today so you are in the know when it comes to purchasing a home and there are no surprises whatsoever. So the first one are your lender fees. So if you're using financing a mortgage to purchase a home, you will have associated lender fees. And these vary by lender. And if you're buying a home through us, make sure you're looking at one of our preferred lenders that we've done a lot of business with, because they won't have exorbitant fees. And so there are underwriting fees, there are just different fees that your lender will charge you. And they'll be clear with you about those fees up front. So that's the first one, is lender fees. Number 2 are attorney fees. So we have attorneys involved in transactions here in North Carolina and South Carolina, and different attorneys charge different fees. This is to make sure that everything is handled properly from the moment you go under contract to you're fully closed. An attorney is involved. They handle the closing and all the paperwork associated with it. Typically for the buyer and the seller, there's one attorney, and they don't really represent either in terms of any conflict. It's mostly to get the transaction handled from a paperwork perspective. The third one are title charges. And so to make sure you have a clean and marketable title, a title search is done. You pay for that title search. Then there's also title insurance, so that you can show and prove that you have a clear, clean, marketable title to the property that you're purchasing. So that's number 3. Number 4 are inspection fees. You absolutely want to make sure that you get your home inspected by a reputable inspector. We have several that we work with, that we do a lot of business with, and their fees vary basically depending on the size of the property that you're purchasing. So those are your inspection fees. So if you're looking to buy a home, or even if you're looking to sell a home, we are definitely interested in interviewing for the job of being your real estate agent. We appreciate your continued support and loyalty. Just go to highperformancerealestate.com. That's highperformancerealestate.com, and we'll see you at the closing table.